Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss the basic raw materials used in skin cream at lab level. There are many raw materials which are used such as fatty acids, fatty alcohols, oils, waxes, esters, emulsifying agents, humectants, preservatives, purified water. First, we are going to see the fatty acids. The fatty acids are straight-chain organic groups containing carboxylic acids derived from fats and oils. Fats and oils are glycerides of fatty acids. Fatty acids are manufactured by hydrolysis of fats and oils by the process of fat splitting. Glycerin is obtained as a byproduct in the process of fatty acid manufacture. Examples are stearic acid, oleic acid, palmitic acid, lauric acid, myristic acid, linoleic acid, and picric acids. As you can see in picture, stearic acid and myristic acid. These are used in building of the cream. All the fatty acids which are mentioned as an example are used for different skin creams. For example, some fatty acids are used only in shaving creams and some only in vanishing cream or cold cream. Next one is the fatty alcohol. Fatty alcohols are usually high molecular weight straight chain primary alcohol derived from natural fats and oils. Examples are cetyl alcohol, as you can see in picture, stearyl alcohol, cetostearyl alcohol, oleal alcohol, lauryl alcohol, and myristic alcohol as shown in the picture. These are also used according to the type of the cream. Next one is the oils. Oils form a very important component in the manufacture of an cream because cream is an emulsion and therefore emulsion means oil in water or water in oil. So oils form also important component in the formulation of the cream. It is a neutral, non-polar chemical substance that is viscous liquid at ambient temperature and is both hydrophobic and lipophilic. Some of the examples are mineral oil, almond oil, olive oil, arachis oil, vidgum oil, and jojoba oil. There are many oils which can also be used in the cream. Now next one is the waxes. Waxes are the simple lipids which is an ester of long chain alcohol and fatty acids. Examples are beeswax, paraffin wax, lanolin, petrolatum, and spermaceti. Waxes are generally used when we required a thick viscosity of the cream. Therefore, some amount of waxes are added so that we can get a firm cream. Another raw materials used in the manufacture of the cream is esters. An ester is a chemical compound derived from an acid in which at least one hydroxyl group is replaced by an alkyl group, as in the substitution reaction of a carboxylic acid and an alcohol. Examples are isopropyl myristate, isopropyl palmitate, isopropyl stearate, glyceryl stearate, etc. You can see the pictures of IPM and isopropyl stearate. These are generally added in cream because it has the property of non-stickiness. Sometimes it has a property of good absorption. Therefore, small amount of esters are also added in creams. Next one is the emulsifying agents. Emulsifying agents is also a very important part in the formulation of any cream because emulsifying agent forms the cream. Without emulsifying agents, we cannot manufacture a cream. An emulsifier or emulsifying agent is a compound or substance that acts as a stabilizer for emulsions, preventing liquids that ordinarily don't mix from separating. If you didn't watch our video on surfactant, please watch it in our channel, so you will get the complete knowledge about the surfactants and emulsifying agents. Examples are lecithin, polysorbates are used, GMS, that is glyceryl monostearate, triethanol amine, etc. can be used. There are many emulsifying agents in the world. Then according to the need, emulsifying agents are added and chosen. You can see the pictures of lecithin and GMS. Next is the humectants. A humectant is a hygroscopic substance used to keep skin moist and retain moisture. It is having multiple hydroxyl groups. You can see the examples of glycerin, propylene glycol, sorbitol, polyethylene glycol. Humectants are added in the cream because as the as there is a water in it, so to prevent the loss of water and to keep the skin moist, sufficient amount of humectants are added in the product. Next one is the preservatives. Preservatives are important because as we can see, we pick up the cream from the container with fingers. We don't know how many microorganisms will get up into the cream, and therefore preservatives are added in small amount to prevent the cosmetics from contamination. Generally, a preservative is any chemical used to kill or prevent the growth of microorganisms, preventing contamination or raw material. Contamination of raw material and also cosmetics. Common organisms that contaminate cosmetics are Pseudomonas aeruginosa, Staphylococcus aureus, Candida albicans, Aspergillus niger. Examples are paraben esters such as methylparaben, propylparaben, DMDM hydantoin, diazolinidine urea, and benzoic acids. There are also many preservatives. We had mentioned some of them. The purified water. Purified water is generally added in creams because cream is an emulsion, as we had seen already. Water is primarily used as a solvent in cosmetics and personal care products, in which it dissolves many of the ingredients that impart skin benefits. Water also forms emulsions in which the oil and water components of the product are combined to form creams and lotions. So water is also an important component. We had seen each one of these ingredients in detail in our next video. Till then, please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel, and comment below if you have any doubt, and please thank you so much for watching.